Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the exact Google account you will link. This ensures your files land in the right place. Once signed in, download the official Google Drive for desktop installer and run it as administrator to avoid permission errors. Make sure other syncing apps are closed, and confirm you have at least 2 GB free and a stable Wi-Fi connection. This prevents interruptions. Once the installer starts, follow the prompts and choose the account when asked to connect. Now you decide how Drive appears on this PC. Choose Stream Files if you want minimal disk use, or Mirror if you need offline copies. Streaming shows placeholders, mirroring downloads actual files. Next, pick which My Drive folders and any shared drives to make available locally. This reduces clutter and sync time. Also, set bandwidth limits and enable Start at Login so syncing begins automatically. These choices control storage, speed, and availability. Finish by confirming Google Drive appears under this PC with the folders you selected. You should see a sync icon in the taskbar. Open several files to verify they launch and update. If syncing stalls, first restart the drive for desktop service or your computer. That often clears transient errors. If problems persist, sign out of the app and sign back in to refresh account tokens, and make sure no firewall or antivirus is blocking the app. One quick restart usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.